Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Flashfish BP030B portable power station. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because, it consists of the following features. Flashfish BP030B power station equipped with an A-grade 299 Wh lithium iron phosphate battery pack, which can achieve 3,500 charge and discharge cycles, and effectively reduce the internal heat problem caused by powering larger power devices. Weighing only 7.05 pounds, BP030B portable solar generator various devices up to 300 watt, peak 600 watt, more practical and extensive to charge your laptop, camera, drone, mini fridge, TV, or CPAP machine with ease for a long time. BP030B portable generator powers has 7 outputs in total, including one AC output 120 volt, 60 Hz, 300 watt, modified sine wave, 1 USB-C 5 volt/3 amp, 3 USB-A 5 volt/2.4 amp, 2 DC 12 volt/10 amp flexible charging capability accommodates a wide range of charging needs. No more vying with family or friends for a quick charge, regardless you're at home or staying outside. With a UPS function, all the outputs can be used and recharged at the same time. During power outage, the power supply will be automatically switched from wall outlet to BP030B battery backup to supply power to each device without interruption continuously, ensuring continuous power to protect your important data on PCs, hard drives and servers. Support to be charged by the 50 watt AC input plus 40 watt DC input simultaneously. The BP030B generator can be charged to 100% in 3 hours. You can also recharge the power station via a car outlet, not included, or Flashfish 100 watt solar panel, not included. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.